Transferring numbers on Mint Mobile is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Ensure that your current phone number is eligible for transfer. Most numbers from major carriers are eligible, but it's best to confirm. Collect the necessary information for the transfer, including your current phone number, your current provider's account number, and any PIN or password associated with your account. Make sure your current device is unlocked and compatible with the Mint Mobile network. You can check compatibility on Mint Mobile's website. Sign up for a Mint Mobile plan online or purchase a plan kit from a retail store. You will receive a new SIM card with your plan. Follow the activation instructions provided by Mint Mobile to activate your new plan and SIM card. You may need to create an account and provide some personal information. During the activation process, you will have the option to transfer your existing number. Select this option and provide the requested information, including your current phone number and account details. After submitting your number transfer request, wait for confirmation from Mint Mobile. This process typically takes a few hours to complete, but it may take up to 24 hours in some cases. Once your number has been successfully transferred to Mint Mobile, test your service to ensure that calls, texts, and data are working properly. Once your number has been transferred, contact your previous provider to cancel your service. Do not cancel your old service until your number has been successfully transferred to Mint Mobile to avoid any interruption in service. If you encounter any issues during the number transfer process, reach out to Mint Mobile's customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance and help resolve any issues that may arise.